Hi everyone, it's Deb here. I wanted to jump on and say happy National Scrapbooking Day. Sorry if you can hear some noise in the background. I got my Cameo going because I am creating some free cut files and some printables to put up on my blog and in my Facebook group. And in the Facebook group you'll get exclusive printables in there. Sorry for my appearance, my eye is really bulgy today because I am super tired and I'm coming down with something again. But I did want to get on and do a face-to-face and just say happy National Scrapbooking Day. I'm going to have quite a few videos going up today, so we're having a design team takeover on the Kitaholics community Facebook page. I'll leave a link below and you can come and join. Everyone's welcome to come and join. And we're going to have challenges and games and lots of fun. I think some of the girls are doing live videos on there. So yeah, so look out for the videos that'll be going up on my channel today, and I will leave a link to my blog below so you can go check out the freebies. And happy National Scrapbooking Day. Bye.